Hello students, welcome to EPG Pathshala. I am Dr. S.P. Sood, retired Associate Professor and Head, Department of Library and Information Science, University of Rajasthan, Jaipur. Today we are going to talk on module Rendering of Headings and Cataloging Practice of Pseudonyms under paper Knowledge Organizational Structure Cataloging. There are various categories of authorship from the point of view of cataloging, that is, single author, joint author, government, institution, and conference. Pseudonym is one of them. In this module, the meaning and definition of pseudonym and rules for their choice and rendering according to CCC and AACR have been discussed. Objectives of this module are as follows: to define pseudonym, to explain the rules of CCC for cataloging books written under pseudonym, to explain the rules of AACR-2R for cataloging books written under pseudonym. Introduction. The use of pseudonym in Indian literature is as old as Indian epic. The great Indian epic Ramayana is known by his pseudonym Valmiki, and nobody knows his real name. Famous Indian politician Kautilya is the pseudonym of Vishnugupta. The practice of using pseudonym in English literature seems in vogue since 16th century. Voltaire has used 137 pseudonyms and Franklin has used 57 pseudonyms in their works. Definition. Harold's Labyrinth Glossary defines pseudonym as a name used by an author which is not his or her real name. It is also called as pen name. Ranganathan, in his CCC, defines pseudonymous author as an author assuming a false or fictitious name or any other specification different from the real name. A pseudonym may also be given by others to an author, or it may even get started in a casual way, either in his own time or in later times. AACR-2R, in its glossary, defines pseudonym as a name assumed by an author to conceal or obscure his or her identity. Comparison of definitions of CCC and AACR-2R reveals that while AACR-2R has given a concise definition of pseudonym, CCC has discussed it in detailed manner, emphasizing that pseudonym may be given to an author by others, or it may get started in a casual way. Even it may be given in his lifetime, or it may be given in later times. Reasons for adopting pseudonym. The reasons of adopting pseudonym and hiding the real name may be many, as for example shyness, diffidence, sense of shame or delicacy, fear of consequences, frakiness, joking, mystifying or hoaxing instinct. Types of pseudonym. Pseudonyms are formed in following ways: adoption or gifting of what appears like a regular name, for example George Eliot. Words constituting the real name may be permitted, as for example Arthur Trevor Crawford used the pseudonym T.C. Arthur. Letters in the essential word in the real name or all or some of its words may be permitted, as for example N.A. Lake used pseudonym ek lena. Descriptive words, for example, by experienced lawyer. Some author they write books under by experienced lawyer or experienced doctor or experienced professor, etc. Fanciful names as Bhabuk, Kalkut, Farishta, etc. Initial names, initial letters are strung together, as for example, Edward Hamilton Atkin adopted initial name Eha. Association with renowned person, as for example, Frontier Gandhi. Real name may be replaced by the name of place of birth, place of residence, nationality, profession, etc. For example, Harishchand Bhartiya. Here Bhartiya is the pseudonym. Need for unmasking of identification. The catalogers are directly concerned with pseudonyms as they need to know the real name or identify the actual name. It is necessary to keep all the entries relating to the works of an author at one place in the catalog. For example, Dhanpat Rai has written books under his real name as well as under his one pseudonym Nawab Rai and another pseudonym Premchand. Entries of all the books will be scattered under different names in the catalog. Sometimes the same pseudonym is used by many authors. As for example, pseudonym Suman has been used by 4 authors, that is Ambika Prasad, Shiv Mangal Singh, Kshem Chandra and Devat Ram. All the 4 authors have used Suman as their pseudonym. If their real name is not used as individualizing element, it will create homonym. Hence, identification of pseudonym is important task. Treatment in CCC. CCC has prescribed the following rules for the choice and rendering of pseudonym. Rule number MD41. If the title page gives only a pseudonym in the place of author's name, the pseudonym is to be used as the heading and it is to be followed by the descriptive element should. For example, Premchand, should, Libra, should, XYZ, should. Rule number MD421. If the title page gives the real name of the author also in a subordinated manner, it is to be added in circular brackets after the descriptive element should. The real name of the author is to be preceded by the symbol IA, that is, the bracket is to be preceded by a comma. The words in the real name are to be written in their natural sequence. For example, Premchand, should, circular bracket, that is IE Dhanpat Rai. Twin mark, should, within circular brackets, IE Samuel Langone Clemens. Rule number MD422. If the title page gives the real name of the author and adds the pseudonym in a subordinated manner, the former is to be chosen for the heading. The latter is to be added after it and enclosed in circular brackets. The descriptive element should is to be added within the brackets. The bracket is to be preceded by a comma. Example, Shiv Mangal Singh Suman will be rendered as Shiv Mangal Singh within circular brackets, i.e. Suman, should, bracket closed. Rule number MD423. If the real name of the author can be found out from outside the work, it is to be added in square brackets after the descriptive element should. The real name of the author is to be preceded by a symbol, that is, the brackets is to be preceded by a comma. The words in the real name are to be written in their natural sequence. For example, Shivani, should, underline, within square brackets, i.e. Gorapant. Gorapant is the real name of the author of the book, and she has written all the books under pseudonym Shivani. Rule number MD424. If a pseudonym represents two joint authors and if the real names of joint authors be known, the symbol IE which comes after the pseudonym is to be followed by the real names of both the authors. Their names are to be connected by the word and. The words in each real name are to be written in their natural sequence. Example, two brothers. It is a pseudonym kept by two different authors and they are to be rendered in the following manner. Two brothers, should, underline, within circular brackets, i.e. Alfred Tennyson and Charles Tennyson. Rule number MD425. If a pseudonym represents three or more joint authors and if the real names be known, the symbol IE which comes after the pseudonym is to be followed by the real name of one of the authors alone, which itself is to be followed by the word etc. Now it has been replaced by and others in the revised rules. The name to be written is to be chosen on the basis of some appropriate principle if available in or otherwise arbitrarily. For example, XYZ, should, underline, within circular bracket, i.e. Suresh Chand Jain and others. Note, here real name of the author is followed by and others in place of etc. As in cataloging practice, Ranganathan has replaced this term by and others. Rule number MD43. If there are two or more pseudonyms occurring in the place of author's name, they are to be connected by the conjunction and. Example, Libra and Arithmeticus, should, underline, within circular bracket, i.e. S.R. Ranganathan. CCC has suggested to prepare pseudonym real name entry to satisfy the approach of readers demanding pseudonymous books from different names as follows. Rule LD1. Choice of referred from heading. There is to be a pseudonym real name entry in the case of every person whose pseudonym alone or pseudonyms as well as real name appears in the main entry concerned. If the pseudonym appears first in the heading in the main entry, the referred from heading in pseudonym real name entry is to be the real name. If the real name appears first in the heading in the main entry and heading in the pseudonym real name entry is to be the pseudonym. Examples of cross-reference index entries. Preparation of cross-reference index entries have been discussed in Module 11 entitled Types of Entries of Classified Catalog according to CCC. These are shown as below. In first and second entries, real names of the author is given in leading section and pseudonym is recorded as referred to heading. In third entry, pseudonym is recorded in leading section and real name is recorded in refer to heading. as pseudonym is added with real name in subordinated manner. For example, Shiv Mangal Singh Suman. In fourth CRIE, real names of both the authors adopting single pseudonym are given in leading section, and pseudonym is recorded in refer to heading. In fifth entry, real name of the authors adopting pseudonym are permitted in leading section. Treatment in AACR-2R. AACR-2R prescribes the following rules for the cataloging pseudonymous authors' books. Rule number 22.1a. In general, choose as the basis of heading for a person the name by which he or she is commonly known. This may be the person's real name, pseudonym, title of nobility, nickname, initial, or other appellation. Example, Premchand, not Dhanpat Rai. Dhanpat Rai is the real name and Premchand is this pseudonym. So it will be rendered as Premchand, not Dhanpat Rai. Rule number 22.2b1. One pseudonym. If all the works by one person appear under one pseudonym, choose the pseudonym. If the real name is known, make a reference from the real name to the pseudonym. Example, George Orwell, not Eric Arthur Blair. Rule number 22.20b.2. Separate bibliographic identities. If a person has established two or more bibliographic identities as indicated by the fact that works of one type appear under one pseudonym, works of other types appear under other pseudonyms, or the person's real name, choose as the basis for the heading for each group of works the name by which works in group are identified. Make references to connect the names. In case of doubt, do not consider a person to have separate bibliographic identities. Example, Lewis Carroll, pseudonym used in literary works. Charles L. Dodgson, real name used in works on mathematics and logic. Nicola Black, pseudonym used in detective novels. C. Day Lewis, real name used in poetic and critical works. Rule number 22.2b3. Contemporary authors. If a contemporary author uses more than one pseudonym or his or her real name and one or more pseudonyms, use as the basis for the heading for each work appearing in it. Make reference to connect their names. Example, Kingsley Amis, real name used in most works. Robert Markham, pseudonym used in one work. Rule number 22.2b4. If a person using more than one pseudonym or his or her real name and one or more pseudonyms neither has established separate bibliographic identities nor is a contemporary author, choose as the basis for the heading the name by which that person has come to be identified in later editions or his or her work in critical works or in other reference sources. Make references from other names. Example, Premchand, reference will be made from Nawab Rai and Dhanpat Rai. Rule number 21.6d. Shared pseudonyms. If two or more persons collaborate and use a single pseudonym. Use the pseudonym as the heading for a work produced by their collaboration. Refer to the pseudonym from their names. Rule number 26.2c1. If the heading for one or more of the persons are also established in the catalog, refer also from the pseudonym to those headings. Example, Ellery Queen is the joint pseudonym of Frederick Denny and Manfred B. Lee, so the heading would be as follows: Queen Ellery. Rule number 26.2b4. If a pseudonym consists of initials, a separate sequence of letters, or numerals, make a name title reference from the real name of each item entered under the pseudonym. Example, Garcin Etienne. Nobio Dictionnaire Provincial Français, CMG. Here initial MG stand for Monsieur Garcin. We have already discussed the definition and rules of choice and heading of pseudonym of CCC and AACR2R. Now we will discuss the application of these rules by cataloging the title pages. Title page number 1 is the case of pseudonym and the real name is given in the preface of the book. The information given in the title page includes series, title, pseudonym, name, collaborator, and the imprint. Other information, that is call number, accession number, pages and size is also given. Note indicates that the real name of the author is also given in the preface and the author has written all his works under his pseudonym only. The book has been translated into several languages. In main entry of CCC, all these sections have been recorded as per rules discussed in Module 11, that is types of entries of classified catalog according to in Module 11, that is types of entries of classified catalog according to CCC. However, heading has been recorded as per rule number AMD 421 of the present module, and real name is recorded in round bracket. All other entries have also been prepared as per rules discussed in Module 11. However, pseudonym real name cross-reference index entry has been prepared as per rule number LD. Main entry of ACR2R has been prepared as per rules of Module 12, that is types of entries of dictionary catalog according to ACR2R. Heading section has been recorded as per rule number 22.2b. However, name reference is not recorded in tracing as references are not recorded. Title entry has not been prepared as title and the subject heading are identical. Title 2 gives title, subtitle, pseudonym, collaborator, and imprint information. Other information including ISBN number is also given. Note indicates that Premchand is pseudonym and the real name of the author as revealed by outside source is Dhanpat Rai. Author has written some books under his pseudonym Nawab Rai. Main entry. All the sections have been recorded as per the rules of Module 11. However, heading section has been recorded as rule number MD 423 of the present module. As the real name has been taken from outside sources, it is recorded in square brackets. All other entries have been prepared as per rules, that is class index entry and book index entries. Two cross-reference index entries have been prepared as per rule number LD1. Main entry of ACR2. All the sections of main entry have been recorded as per rules discussed in Module 12. However, heading is prepared under the predominantly known name. All other entries have also been prepared as per rules already discussed in Module 12. Title 3 is single pseudonym adopted by two authors. Title is followed by pseudonym as well as imprint information. Other information has been given as usual. Note includes that Ellery Queen is the pseudonym of Frederick Denny and Manfred Bennington Lee. This information is taken from outside sources. Main entry of CCC. All the sections of main entry are recorded as per rules discussed in Module 11. However, heading has been recorded as per Rule MD 424 discussed in this module. As the real name have been taken from outside sources, they are given in square bracket. All other entries are prepared as per the rules of Module 11. As it is the case of single pseudonym adopted by two authors, two cross-reference index entries are prepared by permuting the real names of the authors. Main entry of ACR2R. All the sections of main entry are recorded as per rules of Module 12. However, heading is recorded as per rule number 21.6d of ACR2. All the other entries have been prepared as per rules discussed in Module 12. However, two explanatory references have been prepared as per rule number 26.2d1 discussed in this module. So students, let us summarize what we have learned in this module. We have learned the meaning and definition of pseudonym and reasons of identification of their real name. We have also learned the various rules of rendering of CCC as well as ACR2R. After learning these rules, we will be able to catalog pseudonymous books in CCC and ACR2R. Thank you.